What really happens to your body when you start calisthenics? Not the Instagram version, not the muscle up in 30 days lie you saved and forgot about. Just the changes that actually happen, the ones you don't notice because they don't show up in the mirror right away. At first, nothing looks different. That's usually where people quit. But the real change starts in your nervous system. Your brain begins learning how to control your body instead of fighting it. Push-ups stop being a chest exercise and start exposing how weak your core and shoulders actually are. Pull-ups don't just train your back, they reveal how disconnected your grip, arms, and lats were to begin with. This is why beginners feel stronger fast, not because they built muscle overnight, but because their body finally stopped wasting effort. Stay consistent and your physique changes without asking for permission. Your shoulders round out from dips, push-ups, and handstand work. Your lats widen as pull-ups stop being a struggle and start becoming controlled. Your chest builds dense, functional muscle, not the kind that looks good and fails under movement. And your core? It stops being something you train once a week and starts getting exposed every time you move. That's not isolation, that's accountability. Here's a part most people ignore until something hurts. Your joints. Calisthenics doesn't let you hide behind machines. Your shoulders either stabilize or they don't. Your hips either move properly or they compensate. Your wrists either adapt or remind you why warm-ups exist. This isn't dangerous. Avoiding it is. Your joints get stronger because they're finally doing their job. And no, calisthenics doesn't kill your gains. What kills gains is mindless cardio and lazy training. High-tension bodyweight movements burn fat while keeping muscle where it belongs. You don't just get leaner, you move better, jump higher, and stop gassing out doing basic things. That's the difference between looking fit and being athletic. But the biggest change isn't physical, it's mental. No gym, no machines, no excuses left to hide behind. Progress becomes skill-based. Every rep has to be earned, and every shortcut shows up immediately. Calisthenics doesn't care how motivated you feel. It reflects exactly what you do. So if you're ready to stop pretending and start building real strength using nothing but your body, this is where it starts. Download the free 5-step formula in the description and start training smarter today. And while you're at it, subscribe and like for more.